Hello, my name is Eric Zetz. I'm the Environmental Resources Manager for the Public Works Department, and I will be presenting Agreement 324-00334 for Supplemental Waste Transfer Hauling Services for the Del Norte Regional Recycling and Transfer Station. Staff's recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with J.I. Gandara Transport for an amount not to exceed $5 million for an initial one-year term with an option to extend for 2 additional one-year terms ending March 1, 2027 to provide supplemental waste transfer hauling services for the Del Norte Regional Recycling and Transfer Station. Staff's recommendation is that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with J.I. Gandara Transport for an amount not to exceed $5 million for an initial one-year term with an option to extend for 2 additional one-year terms ending March 1 of 2027 in order to provide supplemental waste transfer hauling services for the Del Norte Regional Recycling and Transfer Station. Background. Since the opening of the Del Norte Regional Recycling and Transfer Station in 1996, the Environmental Resources Division has operated with an internal transfer fleet and contracted with outside firms to provide supplemental waste transfer hauling services. The internal transfer fleet, this is our city staff, is used necessary to control of staff and vehicles to ensure permit mandates to the transfer facility and in order for us to transfer waste daily. Staff transfers up to 195,000 tons per year from the Del Norte material site out to other facilities. The supplemental waste hauler is a backup to this internal transfer and is used for fluctuations in the waste stream. This could be caused by staff shortages, a recruitment cycle, limited availability of city vehicles if they are down for maintenance, and generally includes material tons of up to 100,000 tons per year. The supplemental waste hauling agreement is the most efficient, most cost-effective means of complying with state permit mandates to assist us as we have to move this material in order to keep our tipping floor empty for new customers. And also we have a 7-day permit requirement to move material off of the tipping floor. This balance ensures that the city can continue to operate in most circumstances where materials are brought into the Del Norte site and is also consistent with industry standards. Now, for the solid waste material, this would be the trash and rubbish that does come to the Del Norte site. The city currently contracts with Waste Management of California, Inc. for solid waste disposal at the Simi Valley landfill. Now, for organics and green waste, the city currently contracts with Agromin Organics Recycling to receive and process organics or green waste at 2 locations. This would be one in Santa Paula and one in Simi Valley. Limonera Farms in Santa Paula and Simi Valley Landfill in Simi Valley. On November 14th of 2023, the city issued a request for bid, or RFB ER 24-34, to solicit supplemental waste transfer hauling services. The bid was sent to 12 firms and it was posted on the city's website, located at www.publicpurchase.com. By December 11th of 2023, the city received 4 qualified bids. Those 4 bidders were J.I. Gandara Transport, or Gandara Transport as they're known, Ecology Auto Parts Inc., Eco Transport LLC, American Reclamation. The bids presented pricing to destinations that transfers waste or trash and organic material to. The Tolan Road landfill and the Chiquita Canyon landfill were included in the RFB in case we had a fire or an event where the Simi Valley landfill was closed and we needed to divert our material. And through that RFB process, J.I. Gandara So here in Table 1 is a summary of the RFB ER 24-34 is J.I. Pandora Transport, Ecology Auto Parts, Echo Transport, and American Reclamation. On the left column of the table, you see destination, which shows the destinations of the supplemental waste hauling contract where the material may go to. And so we have listed Simi Valley Landfill, Tolan Road Landfill, Agroman Organics Recycling at Limonera Farms, Agroman Organics Recycling at Simi Valley, and Chiquita Canyon Landfill. And so each of the proposers gave us a per ton rate on material that they would haul to those sites. And on the bottom, you see a total. And so for that row, J.I. Gandara Transport's totaled $65.85 per ton. Ecology Auto Parts Inc. totaled $66.08 per ton. And Echo Transport LLC, their total was $77.35 per ton. American Reclamation, their total was $136.54 per ton. Therefore, J.I. Gandara Transport at the 65.85 per ton was the lowest bidder. Based on the bid results, staff is recommending J.I. Gandara Transport. J.I. Gandara Transport meets all required city contractual provisions, including possession of a city business tax certificate, insurance certificates, and corporate filing with the California Secretary of State. The total value of this supplemental waste hauling agreement is $5 million and lasts through March 1 of 2027. The spending plan for the remainder of fiscal year 2023 and 24 is available in the Environmental Resources Operating Fund. Funding for subsequent fiscal years will be requested during the annual budget process. This concludes staff's presentations, and staff will be available to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.